Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous video where we gave you a review after our first night's sleep, glad to have you. If not, that video is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. Now it's been a week. Let's head up to the bedroom and give you our review. Alright YouTubers, in the bedroom now, and again this is the review after 1 week. If you have not checked out our review after our first night's sleep, definitely check that out. The link is scrolling above. So tell the viewers what make and model this mattress is.
This is the Purple Hybrid, which has coils with the purple grid on top of it. We have the Purple Hybrid with 2 inches of purple grid on top, but it is also available with 3 inches or 4 inches on top of the coils for Purple Hybrid.
So as far as firmness, softness, how would you really rate this mattress?
I would say it's not firm at all. It's not hard, but it's not soft where you feel like you're really sinking in. The website calls it a floating feeling. I would say it feels kind of bouncy.
In relation to that bouncy feeling, me personally, if you take your hand, press firmly, your fingertips, your knuckles, you can actually, as well as the palm of your hand, you can feel the technology grid or that purple design underneath the mattress as you push. And I'm going to pull this actual protective sheet off, and I'm not sure if the website mentions anything on it. This has a rippled textured surface, and me personally, it's pretty nice. You wouldn't think it is because again, it's rippled, but it's pretty nice. So after 1 week of sleeping on this mattress, my opinion personally still stands. I like it. What's your opinion?
I still love this mattress.
What's your absolute favorite feature of this mattress?
My favorite part is what the website calls added edge support, which keeps the mattress consistent, feeling all the way to the corners and the edges. I like it because on our old memory foam mattress that we got rid of, and also on the Casper mattress that we tried for about a week, the edges kind of felt when you sat up in bed like this to watch TV or read, or as you can see I have a baby who sleeps here, sitting up to feed the baby, you would feel like you're sinking down on the edges, and this purple mattress is awesome for just keeping you feeling like you're up and not sinking, no matter if you're sitting in the middle or the edge or the corner. It's just really consistent throughout, and I like that.
Me too, I really like that. Do you think we are going to keep this mattress? I know we have 100 days. What do you think?
I think we're going to keep it, and I think if I were buying another mattress for another room in our house, I would probably want to buy another purple. Alright YouTubers, we have been sleeping on this purple mattress and we loved it so much that we decided to give the pillows a try. We ordered the purple plush pillow, and one of the reasons that I wanted to go with that particular pillow is because the whole thing is washable. So we just got it in the mail and we are going to wash it, and we will be back with another review on the purple plush pillow. And that link is scrolling above if you want to check it out. That's it YouTubers, hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.